Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next product in exchange for an honest review, and it's exactly what I'm going to do. So these are the BX35 cordless wireless true earbuds. You're probably familiar with these. They work really great. They have a lot of cool features, but I'm here to tell you that these are just as good. They sound great, they fit well, and they have a lot of cool features the other ones don't have. First, let's open the box. I just wanted to real quick kind of show you what they look like packaged. They're actually packaged really, really well. We'll open them up here, true wireless earbuds. Wow, look at that. That is a nice looking case and packaging here. Pull that out. Pull the foam out. You do get a little charging cord in there. This is a, you can see USB to USB-C charging cord, and that will actually plug right into this, the bottom here. Let's take the, let's kind of slide off the plastic here. There we go. Look at that. That looks really, really nice. And then you open it up. You can see it actually shows you the charge. And then you actually have the headphones themselves right in here. So here you go. You can see the earbuds are actually charging right now. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to go ahead and take them out. This is the left one. I'm going to put that in my ear. And it fits nice and conveniently. It's very comfortable, actually. It just fits really, really well. Here's the other one. Again, fits well. I can shake my head. I can go up and down. They are actually very secure. I have gone on walks for them. I've gone on light jogs with them, and they're fine. They do fit in, again, comfortably. Your ears will you can adjust them a little bit, kind of push them up and down, but they really do fit pretty well, and they feel great. So when you first pull them out, you'll put them into your ear to turn them, to actually power them up. You can press each one 5 seconds to power it up if they're not already powered up. Then you'll want to go ahead and pull up your phone, make sure your Bluetooth is actually onto your phone, and then you go ahead and scroll up and down on your list of devices. It may be near the bottom of the list, and it might say other devices, but you want to go ahead and click on BX35. That is your headphones. That is the name of these things. And it'll give it a couple seconds and it will go ahead and connect. And then you should be done. That's it. You can just go back to your music and then you can go ahead and play your music. And as you play, you will hear it through your earbuds. I've used this on several different phones now and I've had zero problem connecting. I literally just turn my phone on, go to Bluetooth, turn these things on, and they connect. Really, it's very, very straightforward. It works really, really well. The Bluetooth is solid from what I've seen. By the way, these headphones themselves, they actually have like a standby of like 50 hours. So then you can put them back in here to actually go ahead and charge them. And then when you want to go ahead and charge this, you plug that cord in with the USB-C. You plug that back into here, and then go ahead and charge the whole thing up just like you normally would. It does come with an instruction manual, and it actually has a bunch of different languages. These are kind of nice because you actually have different commands you can actually do with them, and the commands are all either touch-based with a click or the tap. You can tap it once to actually get one command, tap it twice, 3, whatever you need to do. I'll go over them all in a second. Or you can actually kind of hold, and when you hold them, something else will happen. And it's right and left, so they each have different commands. So let's kind of just go over all the different commands. I'll kind of show them up on the screen. So let's go over all the commands. First of all, if you double tap either one of them, you'll either play your music or pause your music, whatever it's on. So if it's pause, you'll hit play. If you double tap again, it'll go ahead and pause it again. You can actually switch songs. If you hold for 2 seconds the left one, it'll actually go back a song. If you hold for 2 seconds the right one, it'll go forward a song. With single click or single tap on the ones, it will actually raise and lower your volume, and that works great as well. Again, you just got to remember, left is going to be lowering it, right is going to be raising your volume. To power them up or power them down, either one, just kind of press and hold for about 5 seconds, and it will say, whoop, power on, and then you're good to go. I had to do this for each one individually the first time around, but now that they're on, they seem to work just fine. You can actually pick up the phone call, just the same thing as press for play. If you got a phone call while you're talking, you can kind of double tap and it'll go ahead and pick up the phone call. Reject a call, you can actually kind of hold it down for 2 seconds, so it's very similar to how we might work with the phone. And then if you actually have a voice assistant, I've used it a couple of times with voice assistant. You tap 3 times, boop, 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 and it'll go ahead and call up your voice assistant or your Siri in most cases. And it works pretty well. I've actually haven't had any problem at all. They are very sensitive. They do work well. So what about sound quality? Yeah, they actually sound pretty good. I've actually called up some friends. I've listened to my own voice. I've recorded my voice on voice memo. My friends didn't notice any difference with my headphones. I heard them just fine. They heard me just fine. When it comes to music, I will go ahead and often listen to all sorts of different music while I'm running or walking or just working around the house. Again, no problem whatsoever. Good treble, good bass, a good mix of both. They're nice and comfortable. And all the music sounds great. I haven't had any problem whatsoever. I am actually recording this video right now using the audio from these earbuds. So I connected them to the phone where I'm recording the video, and now as I'm talking, the video is actually taking the audio from these and recording it. So there you go. If you can hear me just fine right now, that means these earbuds are working great. Overall, I highly recommend these things. They have come with their own little travel case, their little charging case here. They have a little charging cord. Everything works out really, really well. I highly recommend these things if you're looking for some nice little earbuds that will work with a smartphone, connect really easily, and sound pretty darn good. Yeah, I highly recommend these.